Hello guys, it's Qora Digital Cash again. I'm really happy to be here again. Today is Saturday, the beginning of the weekend, and of course, just like you guys have known, every weekend like this, we usually have our mobile setup. All the training section is going to be on mobile platform. Okay, we will be having another amazing moment today. Yesterday in my last video, fortunately I also did a mobile training video yesterday, and in that video I told you that I will be sharing with you a new setup which you can use to trade all these assets successfully, and briefly I will be going into it right away. So quickly, let's go straight into it. This is going to take a full training, and just the way you've known the main setup, which is on the main chart, but we want to check out the setup on the window indicator. I've tried as much as possible to make it as simple as possible so that you guys will be able to get every gist about it, and you will be able to, if you follow the instruction guiding this setup, you will be able to make at least $100 per day. That is sure. Okay, you will be able, it also depends on your trading capital, but you should be able to make at least $100 per day. I've done that. I did that throughout January. I did it. I'm still doing it till date. Okay, I've been trading consistently using this strategy to see if I can make a minimum of $100. First I was making $100, but later on I moved on to $300 per day just from this mobile setup alone. Okay, later on I moved to $500. Okay, it is as easy as that. You too can also do the same thing. Just sit tight and watch this video to the end, because you're going to love this strategy, and it's going to make you a lot of money if you put it in use. Okay, but before I go fully into that, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. In case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to this channel. This is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every bit of it, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay, can you do so right away so that you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. This is a mobile strategy that can easily make you between $50 to $100 per day or even more. All you just need to do is just to follow the simple and remember, you have so many assets you can use this strategy for, so definitely you can take advantage of all the assets and make some money for yourself right from here. Okay, this is Boom 300. It is one of the most volatile assets within the boom and crash indices. Okay, so that is very important. You guys have known the indicators on the main chart because I've been using it for a while. If you don't know about that, you can check the channel to watch that. I only have EMA 9 and 20 on the main chart. Okay, but what you don't know is the one on the window in the window indicator session. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how to do this, how to get this, and how to put that into it. There are so many things there. I've hidden the rest because I'm not discussing about other part of it today. I'm only focusing on these two lines. Let me show you the two lines. Okay, sorry, these are the two lines, the orange line, okay, and the white line, and definitely the horizontal white bars. Okay, so these are the two lines I'm focusing on right away at the moment. So let's see how far we can go with this. So quickly, let's go straight to the setup session. Then from there, we will now move on to how we can use it into, how we can put it into practice. Okay, probably by tomorrow I will be giving us full gist on how we can use this to milk the market successfully for a very long time. This strategy is unique and you're going to love it. Okay, I'm trying my best to make sure that every strategies I'm bringing up is very easy for you guys to use. Okay, so first of all, before you can add any indicator, you need to come to the F button right here. So I'm going to go there right away so that we can go to the indicator session. Okay, for you to add an indicator window, you need to click here. Let's say you've not added anything, you need to click here and add RSI first. Okay, RSI will help you to add an indicator, any other indicator, to the indicator window. So once you add RSI, so let me show you my setup for RSI. This is just my setup for RSI. You can see the period is 14, apply to close style is 3 pixels, and I'm putting it in white. Okay, I'm using white color for it. Then I also created my levels. So for you to add your levels, you can come here. So here are the descriptions of my levels. Okay, I can give it description, but right here I'm not giving a description because I already know what I'm looking for. But let me help you out. Let me give it description so that you guys will understand what to do. Okay, and once it gets there. Okay, so I'm going to give it buy, 10 is going to be buy, then 90 should be sell. Those are the two things that I'm going to give description to. So if you want to add these levels, all you just need to do is just to click on the plus sign and you will be able to add them. Okay, if it is not allowing you to add them, click on delete first. It's going to ask you to highlight some, then you can close it and try to click on the plus sign. It's going to add to it. You can see it has just added to it, but I don't think I need that. Okay, at the moment I don't think I need that. So you can now go back and click on done. Once you click on done, then everything will be in place just the way you have seen it right here. Okay, so you're going to have the lines drawn out, and you are going to have this line, was this RSI line showing. Okay, so that is very, very important. So let's go back and add other indicators. Okay, you can see at the top here we also have our sell showing at the top here. That is, we should sell once the price gets there, then we should buy once it gets here. Okay, so those areas are already showing. So quickly, let's go straight into the, what was it called, to other indicators. So right from there, you can now add any other indicator you want to add into the indicator window. So how do you do that? You click on, instead of clicking on this, you will click on this. Okay, you click on that because we've already have the indicator windows created for us. So once you click on that, forget about this. I've hidden this, you don't need it in today's video. Okay, this is what we want to focus on, moving average. Okay, we want to add moving average to it, so that is what we want to focus on. Okay, this is the moving average we are adding to it. Just make sure you take note of everything. The period is 20, shift is 0. It is a simple method. Then apply to close. Then of course the style should be 4 pixels, and I'm using a golden color, and that is all you need to do. Then you click on done once you are done with that. Okay, so and that I've done, and definitely you can go back and you will be having this setup which I'm having on the system. Now let me now explain to you how you can put this into action and use it to trade successfully. I'm going to be brief with you on this because the time is the video is getting longer. Probably my next video I will explain further on how you can put this into full action and make some money with it. Okay, but this is it. From the main charts, you already know that these two indicators will help you know the direction of the market and also give you an entry point. Okay, when they cross each other, when the EMA 9 crosses EMA 20, below it crosses below the EMA 20, then definitely it will sell, and it will sell at that point for a very long time. But do you know that you can also get your confirmation from the window indicator? How do you do that? If you should check this, where the resistance zone is, that is when this got to 10 to 90. Okay, that is when it got to 90, and it will keep on selling and sell and sell till it gets to 10. You can see that, you can see this, it keeps on selling till it gets to 10, and when it gets to 10, it will start spiking. It will start spiking. You can see when it got to 10, it spiked here. Okay, but that does not mean that it cannot break the support. It can break the support, but it will still go back into uptrend fully, and once it goes back into uptrend fully, it will keep on going till it gets to 90 again. So it is as easy as that. So don't worry, I'm going to give you more. I'm going to be well detailed with this, but quickly let's check out one more example. You can see it right here, and you can see it right here. It is around the 10, and if we should take it backward a bit, you will notice that it got to this region. You can see it right there, and you can see it right there. So that is as easy as that, which means you would have milked the market from ear to ear, which means you would have milked the market from ear to ear. So you can combine the two indicator, the indicator on the main window chart, and the indicators on the main chart and the indicators on the window chart. You can combine both of them together in order for you to trade this asset successfully for a very long time. These settings alone, these settings that I'm showing you right here, have helped me to make quite a lot of money on this platform. It's made it very, very easy for me to move a small trading capital into something reasonable. So you guys can also do the same thing. I've been able to move $100 into $8,870. Okay, so that made it very, very easy for me to trade for a very long time. I was just trying to test run it to see how far I can go with it. Of course, there are few few situations whereby you have the markets going wild. Okay, at that stage, you need to be very careful within the market. But in most cases, the market situation respects what I am showing you right here. Okay, so that is always very, very important. So you should be able to practice with this. So with the little I've said about this, try and have the setup done on your chart and play around with it for now. By tomorrow, I'm going to give you more detailed reports on how you can use this to milk the market successfully for a very long time. Okay, if you are willing to make between $50 to $100 per day or even more, then definitely this strategy will put you in that position. So guys, I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.